Hi, pretty. Today, I want to share some lesser-known secrets about Vaseline that most people don't know about. These tips can help you achieve flawless beauty, and I'm sure you'll be amazed. So, let's get started. 1. Vaseline is an effective makeup remover, especially for removing waterproof mascara and eyeliner. Gently apply Vaseline with a small cotton pad to the makeup area and wipe it off. 2. Vaseline can act as a moisture lock to prevent dryness and reduce fine lines. At night, apply a small amount of Vaseline to your skin, especially under the eyes or around laugh lines, to keep these areas soft and hydrated. 3. Apply a bit of Vaseline on your eyebrows to keep them naturally in place without the need for eyebrow gel, giving them a neat and glossy look. 4. Rub a little Vaseline on your hair to prevent dryness and split ends. This is especially helpful for dry, curly hair. 5. After washing at night, apply an adequate amount of Vaseline to your hands and heels and wear socks to lock in moisture. Over time, this helps soften dryness and heal cracked heels. 6. Mix a small amount of Vaseline with coffee grounds or sugar to create an exfoliating scrub for dark areas, then gently massage it onto the skin. 7. To prevent nail polish from getting on the skin around your nails, use Vaseline as a protective barrier. This trick helps keep polish only on your nails, avoiding any staining on the surrounding skin. 8. Apply Vaseline to your lashes at night to keep them moisturized, gradually making them thicker and healthier. This trick helps maintain the shape of your lashes and enhances their natural shine. 9. Vaseline can quickly soften lips and give them a natural shine. Use this trick especially before applying matte lipstick to keep lips from cracking. 10. If you don't have a highlighter or want a natural glow, dab a bit of Vaseline on your cheekbones. This gives you a fresh and radiant look.